Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, how are you today? I hope you are in a good condition. Before we go to first presentation, introduce myself. My name is Marifa. I'm from Group 2 and my best friend is Linda Nurul Widianti and Haulia Ratnawulan. And then you can see your device. First material is cell and apparatus Golgi. Cells are the simple collection of matter that can live and are the consistent units of all living things. Cells are able to carry out all life activities and most semi-cell reactions to maintain life take place in the cell. In biology, there are also cell components such as cell walls, apparatus Golgi, lysosome, cell membrane, microbody, and mitochondria. Golgi apparatus is one of the components of the cell. The Golgi apparatus, called also Golgi complex. Golgi or dictysome is a stack of flattened sacs or cisternae that each coat's membrane are granular. 2. Meaning of apparatus Golgi. Golgi can be said to be derivative of RE, which is formed from vesicle detached from RE. Golgi body's structure is a form of a disc-shaped pouch which is branched into a series of very small vessels at the ends. Golgi body is a part of the cell that is almost similar to endoplasmic reticulum. However, the Golgi body consists of layers of room which are also covered by membrane.
Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Haulia Ratnawulan, NIM 19 Farm 116. I will explain parts of Golgi apparatus. Golgi body has two parts, namely the chest and trans parts. The thickness of the chest and trans membrane is different. The chest portion, vesicle, which generally originate from the raw endoplasmic reticulum. This vesicle will be absorbed into the room inside the Golgi body, and the content of the vesicles will be processed in such a way as to be refined and so on. The room will move from the chest to the trans. In this part, the room will break themselves and from vesicles and are ready to be distributed to other parts of the cell or outside the cell. Structure and compost form the apparatus Golgi slide. Yes, friend, you can see this picture. This is a picture of the Golgi apparatus, and below is a picture of the Golgi apparatus in animals now, and the turquoise color is a more detailed part. Structure of the Golgi apparatus. Function of the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is the main organelle for carbohydrate synthesis, as well as shooting selection and product delivery station from air. Cell make many polysaccharides in the Golgi apparatus include pectin and hemicellulose, plant cell cell walls. And most extracellular matrix glycosaminoglycans in animals. The Golgi apparatus is also found in the air pathway. Most carbo make it attached to the slight chain of lipid in the air. Small piece of oligosaccharide group function as talks to identify specific protein to vesicle which then transport them to lysosome. After the protein and lipids obtain the correct oligosaccharides in the Golgi apparatus, they will be sent via vesicle transport to the parts that need them. Schema of the relation between the Golgi apparatus and the air. Blue arrow indicate the return part of some cell component from the Golgi apparatus back to the air. The red arrow indicate the biosynthesis secretory pathway from the air to the Golgi apparatus. Glycosaminoglycans in animals. The Golgi apparatus is also found in the air pathway. Most carbo make it attached to the slight chain of lipid in the air. Small piece of oligosaccharide group function as talks to identify specific protein to vesicle which then transport them to lysosome. After the protein and lipids obtain the correct oligosaccharides in the Golgi apparatus, they will be sent via vesicle transport to the parts that need them. Schema of the relation between the Golgi apparatus and the air. Blue arrow indicate the return part of some cell component from the Golgi apparatus back to the air. The red arrow indicate the biosynthesis secretory pathway from the air to the Golgi apparatus.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Linda Nurul Widianti, name 115. Form of the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is considered to consist of double discrete compartment. Although the number of compartments has not yet been formed, the Golgi apparatus is most often seen and consisting of 4 different functional areas. 1. Golgi tissue. 2. Golgi pile, or which is further divided into submedial compartment and transcompartment. 3. Golgi transnetwork. 4. Protein from the air is transported to the compartment between the air Golgi and then put into the Golgi apparatus in the Golgi tissue. Definition of high-level animals. Higher animals or vertebrate. Higher level animals or vertebrate are vertebrate animals. It has a much more perfect body structure compared to invertebrate animals. Vertebrate animals have a roof, which is the arrangement where nerve cells gather and have on extension of the nerve collection from the brain. This route is not possessed by a non-vertebrate in meeting their needs. Vertebrate animals already have a perfect circulatory system of work centered on the heart organ with vessels in their channels. Characteristic of animals' body tools that support the back as follows. 1. Having a round gland, endocrine which produces hormone for control, growth, and physiological process or physiology of the body. 2. The nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. 3. Hot and vague body temperature according to environmental condition or poikilothermal. 4. Respiratory system or aspiration with lungs or pulmonosum. Skin and gill operculum. 5. The digestive tract extends from the mouth to the anus, which is located next to the vertebra or front and spine. 6. The skin consists of epidermis or outside and endodermis or inside. 7. Parent reproductive organs export for birth, both sex glands in the form of ovarium and testicles produced by cell and sperm cell. Definition of low-level animals. Low-level animals are invertebrate. Low-level animals or invertebrate are animals that are not vertebrate and have a simple morphological and anatomical structure compared to groups of vertebrate or backbone. Else, the digestive, respiratory, and circulatory system are simpler than invertebrate animals. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.